Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a central part of how companies work. Corporate teams now rely on AI, not just for research or writing, but for planning, collaboration, and secure data handling. Two of the most powerful tools competing for that space are ChatGPT Enterprise and Anthropic's Claude Team. Both are designed for business use, but they take different paths to help organizations boost productivity and protect privacy. So, which one is the best AI platform for corporate teams? Let's dig in. ChatGPT Enterprise is built on the same technology that powers the well-known ChatGPT models, but customized for professional use. It gives companies unlimited access to the latest models, advanced data analysis, and priority performance. The biggest advantage is enterprise-level security. All data and conversations are encrypted, and nothing shared within the platform is used to train future models. That means businesses can confidently discuss strategy, upload internal files, and generate reports without risking data exposure. It also supports integrations with business tools, letting teams automate workflows, summarize long documents, and even analyze spreadsheets directly in the chat. For companies that already use ChatGPT, the transition to enterprise feels natural, just faster, smarter, and safer. Anthropic's Claude Team brings a different style of intelligence to the table. Built around the Claude models, it is known for its ability to handle extremely long documents and produce thoughtful, context-aware responses. Claude Team is designed for group collaboration, allowing employees to work within shared workspaces while maintaining strict privacy boundaries. Like ChatGPT Enterprise, it keeps company data isolated and secure. Claude is especially good at digesting policies, research papers, and detailed documentation. For teams that rely heavily on written communication, such as legal, compliance, or strategy departments, Claude's calm and analytical tone makes it a strong partner. In reality, many large organizations could benefit from both. ChatGPT Enterprise can power cross-functional productivity and automation, while Claude Team can refine complex written materials and handle research-heavy collaboration. Together, they can form a balanced AI ecosystem. But if you must choose one platform as your corporate AI hub, ChatGPT Enterprise currently offers the most complete, secure, and flexible experience for modern teams. It is built not just for conversation, but for enterprise-level performance that scales with your business.